Hello fam, and welcome back. I have postponed making this video for ages and I finally decided I must do it today. So in this video I'm going to be answering the common questions people have asked about Skineal. I recently made a review about the Skineal Cream, the tube, and I got a lot of questions from that post and I decided to gather them and make them and put them into a video. Skineal is actually designed to help people with their blemishes, skin issues from eczema, acne, hyperpigmentation, and all those things. Though while we use the product, we can get good results. The problem is there are a lot of things about this Skineal that is not clear to many. But in this video, I'm going to be providing answers to those common questions people may have about the Skineal Triple Action Cream. I will show you how to identify the original one, and I'll also let you know if it's something I can recommend for anyone. So, let's dive into the questions and their answers. A little note, since this is a video, I would not really be able to upload answers to new questions inside the same video. So you will do yourself a favor by checking the description. If you feel there is no answer to your question inside the video, I'll be updating the video through the description with new questions and new answers I get. And also, if you feel the ones in the description too does not contain your question, feel free to leave yours in the comment section. I read every comment and I respond to every single one of them. Even if I don't have the answer, I'll point you to resources. You'll be able to get answers. So the first question is if this Skineal Cream is actually safe for people to use. Yes, the Skineal Cream is clinically proven to be safe. The thing is, you need to understand that the product is a skin treatment. It is a drug. It is not really a body cream. So things like this can be harmful when you abuse them or when you use them the way they are not prescribed. I would advise that you only get a doctor's prescription before you can use this skin treatment. And even if you want to use it without a doctor's prescription, you just notice eczema on your body and you just want to quickly rub and get it off immediately, I would advise you do not use it for long, maximum 1 to 2 weeks, if possible 3 weeks, depending on how severe it is. And then number 2, is the Skineal Cream safe to be used while pregnant? Pregnant people always want to know if they can actually use this treatment, because it's not really everything you can use when you're pregnant. The answer to this question is this Skineal Cream is not safe for use during pregnancy because of the ingredients that they use to make this cream. The cream can actually penetrate your skin layers and also get into your bloodstream. It's not a new thing, so it's better for you to stay away from it while pregnant. You can also consult a doctor if there is any case-specific recommendation which you need. And then number 3 question, what is the function of Skineal Cream? This tube cream, it actually functions as a skin treatment and it can be applied on the skin, directly on the infection, either the eczema, the acne, the hyperpigmentation, any infection at all, directly on the skin. You do not consume it, you only apply it on top of your skin. Number 4, is the cream safe for use while breastfeeding? Just like being pregnant, it is advised that you do not use the Skineal Cream while you are breastfeeding, especially when your baby is still very tender. You can discuss this with your doctor if there is a recommendation you feel you need this for. Number 5, is it safe to use Skineal on children? See, let me tell you, Skineal is a very potent cream and it can be very harsh on the skin of children and to always give them an unpleasant side effect. You should never use this cream for children below the age of 12, especially when there is no recommendation from a doctor. This is because if you use it wrongly, any damage on the skin can be permanent and it can make their skin to age faster. Don't even try mixing it in their body cream. You feel mixing it in their body cream and applying it is going to work. No, do not do that. You are giving your child's skin more issues. Number 6, can Skineal clear dark spots? Well, according to their official statement by the brand, they said it doesn't clear dark spots, that their product that clears dark spots is the one called Vinyl. However, many people who have used this Skineal, they've actually agreed that Skineal can lighten your dark spots at some point, so it can actually be used to clear your dark spots. Number 7, what is the work of the Skineal Cream? This Skineal tube cream actually performs the work of an anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial, and antipyretic cream. This means it can help you to relieve and prevent itching, it can reduce inflammation, it can destroy and prevent the growth of fungi, and it can also destroy and prevent the growth of bacteria on your skin. Number 8, can you use Skineal Cream for inflammatory skin conditions and fungal infections? Yes, Skineal Cream, this is what it was created for. It can be used to manage inflammatory skin conditions and also fungal infections. It's an amazing antifungal and anti-inflammatory cream. Just be sure that you are using it based on a doctor's prescription or for no more than 2 to 3 weeks. Number 9, is Skineal a bleaching cream? Well, as a result of the ingredients in this cream, it can be called a bleaching cream, as it can actually get you shades lighter just for using it in a short time. Number 10, does Skineal Cream bleach the skin? Absolutely yes. This Skineal Cream can bleach your skin when used consistently for a while. The bleaching results can even stay for some time after you've even stopped using the cream. In most cases, the bleaching effect can actually damage your skin, and it will require a very healthy skin routine or a safe and natural product to be able to get your skin back to normal. That is, if you have used the cream to bleach your skin for a long time. Then number 11, can the Skineal Cream be used on the face? Yes, this antibacterial cream can be used on the face if you have an infection on your face, if you have a blemish, or if you have a condition you want to work on and take care of. The Skineal Cream can actually work to clear all those things on your face. Number 12, should you mix the Skineal with other body or face products? See, nobody should lie to you. You should never try mixing this Skineal with any other skin product, whether it's a cream, it's a serum, cleanser, or whatever. People will mix this Skineal Cream with their body cream and they actually feel it's the right thing, but please, this is a very wrong thing to do. If you're one of them, just stop that now before you give your skin more issues. You may not notice it now, but definitely you would find out there is a very huge and unpleasant side effects to doing this later on. It will not only result in swelling in that area you're using it, it can also give you a very, very bad side effect because you don't really know the ingredients in the product you're mixing it with, so it's best to never try mixing it. Number 13, how long does it take for Skineal Cream to show results on the skin? For many users of this cream, it can actually take like a week for them to see results and also improvements in their conditions. For some, it can take a few days. Some, it needs to take them like 2, 3, 4 weeks before they even see results. This only goes to show that it is best for you to speak with your doctor before using it, just to have an idea about how long you need to use the cream yourself. Seeing your doctor will actually make you understand better how long you should use it and how long you should wait before you see results. Number 14, does Skineal contain steroids? Yes, Skineal contains strong steroids which can actually cause you serious side effects. With steroids, your skin can look very nice at the beginning of using it, but when you make it a long-term use, it can lead to unnecessary stretch marks because these steroids can affect the functioning of your skin and it will make it difficult for your skin to maintain its elasticity. Apart from these stretch marks, you can also experience steroids-induced pimples. This pimple is actually worse than normal pimple and it takes a lot of hard work to actually get rid of them. I don't think you want that for your skin. Number 14, can I use Skineal for my private part? Look, the best part where you can actually apply this Skineal is your inner thighs. Do not ever try taking this close to your private area. Yes, Skineal can lighten your inner thighs, those dark areas, but applying it on your private parts does not. Why would you even want to do that in the first place? What if it's an infection? No, you cannot use it there for an infection because this is a cream. It has many ingredients that should not come close to you using it close to that area. I do not really see a reason why someone would want to use that in that area. If you need any help with having to do with treatment in that area, you can always see a doctor, you can always see a gyna. They are best in these areas. Do not try to take this kind of matter into your hand by using a cream, a triple action cream for that matter, on your private area. And then number 15, can you go out after using the Skineal Cream? People used to be scared that if they apply this Skineal Cream all over their body or their face and they step out, that it can react to the sun and give them sunburn. Well, sometimes some of them are not far from the truth, because some people have actually experienced this. Some of the side effects you can get using this cream: you might experience drowsiness or sometimes slight headache after you use this Skineal Cream and you go outdoors. So if this thing actually happens to you, or you notice such a thing happens whenever you use the Skineal Cream and you step out, it's best to just remain indoors until you are done using the cream for your treatment. Then you can move on with your life. But if this thing is really an issue for you, speak to your doctor and see if they can actually give you something else that doesn't have this kind of side effect. Then number 16, can you stop using it immediately, or do you have to slowly stop the use? Well, unlike some treatments that you can stop using immediately or you can stop using gradually, for Skineal, it's not usually recommended for you to stop it just immediately, just dump it. Instead of doing that, it's not like it's not a good idea, but it can have effects for some persons, not really for all. But some persons can experience very crazy side effects from just stopping the cream immediately. So if you want to stop using this once you notice maybe an improvement in what you are treating, then you can just reduce the usage. Maybe if you're using it twice a day, you go down to once. If you're using it every day of the week, you go down to 3 days, then you go down to 2 days, then 1 day, and that's it, you stop. Just look for a way to manage the usage. Reduce it gradually till you're done entirely, then you stop it. You should not try to exceed 3 weeks or highest 4 weeks, depending on how severe what you're treating is. Whether you have noticed an improvement or not, once it has crossed 3 to 4 weeks, stop using it. You don't need it anymore. It's not going to work for you. Seek professional help instead. Number 12, what is the price of Skineal Cream? Well, when I bought mine the last time, that was some months ago, I bought it around 800. Some persons have said they got it 500, some persons 1,000, some have even gotten as high as 2,000. So I think this depends on your location and the seller you're getting it from. As for European countries, expect to pay between $10 to $45, also depending on your location and the seller. Number 13, where can you buy a Skineal Cream? Pharmacy is like the best place for you to go because you're sure of the original. And apart from pharmacies, you can try very standard cosmetic shops, like standard ones that you know that there is a very slight chance of you getting the fake one from them. You can also try standard supermarkets, standard stores, and standard malls. But know that this is the skin stuff. Anything that has to do with the skin, always go for the original, because anything fake would cost you more money, more time, more effort to actually get back to normal. You can also try online stores like Jumia, Konga, Amazon, and the rest. And there's also an Instagram vendor who I partner with. She sells very original cosmetic products and she has the original of this. Don't worry, I'll show you how to be able to identify both, just to be sure wherever you're buying from, you'll be able to get. I'll leave the links to where you could actually get the original ones in the description. Then the next question, how to identify the original Skineal Triple Action Cream. The fake one and the original one actually look alike, but just remembering some important things would help you differentiate the two. First of all, let's take a look at both of them. Can you guess which is the original? This one is the original. This one is the fake one. Don't be too hard on yourself if you've used the fake one without knowing. Stuff like this happen. It takes someone who knows it to be able to teach you how to identify the two, and sometimes it takes your own personal experience to be able to identify which is the original and which is the fake. So I will just show you what to look out for when you are going to buy, so that you'll be able to identify fake original. Forget the the scratch code they now have. Do not only think that scratch code is enough to show a product is original. Here are some of the major things you need to look out for. First of all, the very obvious difference is the Vixa written before the Skineal right in front of the product. But don't be so fast. Do not try to assume that every product that has the Vixa visible is the original one. Sometimes it's not always like that. Number 2 point, you have to notice the difference in the size of the pack. The original pack is longer and it is slightly slimmer than the fake one. Also, the font size is different, the style is different, the design and the colors, they are different. You also need to notice that all these features on the original one, they are shinier and the color is sharper than that of the fake one. The original one comes in a very unique antique rectangular paper pack, and the tube itself, it has a smooth circle-like shape with a round cover which feels like smooth rubber. Apart from this, the content of the original one is a bit rougher than the fake one. The fake one just comes out like a normal gel. It's so smooth. When you press on your fingers or your palm and you're rubbing it, it feels very, very smooth like a normal gel. But the original one doesn't come out like a gel. It comes out a bit rough, and apart from that, it smells a lot like a drug. The fake one may not really smell exactly like a drug, but the original one smells a lot like a drug. Just try to see how you can study the two of them and memorize how the original one looks like and what the inside also look like. This will actually help you anytime you want to buy. And of course, you can also not forget about the scratch code. This can go a long way too. Go ahead and scratch it, send the code to the number. And then let's go to one of the most important questions. What happens when you use Skineal for a very long time? The ideal length of time for you to use Skineal is between 2 to 3 weeks maximum, and 4 weeks if the infection or whatever is actually a bit severe. But this depends on what you are treating. In fact, many things can actually go wrong when you use this Skineal for too long. Like number 1, when you use this Skineal for a very long time, it can clear the good bacteria on your skin, and it will give room for the dangerous bacteria to spread. This good bacteria would have helped prevent other harmful organisms from taking over your skin surface. But when it is gone because of the Skineal, you can experience more infections, irritation and discomfort. Then number 2, using this cream for too long, it can strip your skin of healthy substances and it will leave you vulnerable. Number 3, it can even cause antibiotic resistance. When you're using it for too long and your skin gets resistant to it, when you start using it again, it will not perform its function because your skin is now resistant to it. Number 4, using it for a long time, it can get absorbed into your bloodstream, and this can actually lead to side effects like liver damage and even heart failure. Number 5, since this cream contains steroids, it can actually affect your body's ability to produce natural hormones, which can lead to massive withdrawal symptoms when you finally stop it. You use it too much, your skin gets used to it. If you stop, your skin will start reacting. And then number 6, using steroids, which is contained in this Skineal, it can actually cause your skin to get thin and make you more open to injuries. Number 7, the cream actually contains steroids, which will make your skin look very good in the beginning. But when you continue to use it for a very long time, it can give you unnecessary stretch marks, it can give you steroid pimples. Yes, the Skineal cream is a good one to use, but do not try to use it beyond the number of weeks that it is recommended. You would experience more problems than what you bargained for. And now, the part where you all may have been waiting for. Can I recommend this Skineal cream? I can actually recommend this cream to people who want to quickly get rid of their pimples, their infection, their rashes, eczema, hyperpigmentation and all blemishes, especially the stubborn ones. This cream actually works to clear all these things as long as you're also using it under a doctor's supervision and for a short period. like 2 to 3 weeks. However, I do not recommend it if your reason for using it is to bleach your skin or to use it for a very long time. No, I will not be a party to that. The truth is, using a steroid for bleaching your skin, it is terrible enough. Not to mention using something much worse like a triple action cream like Skineal. Skineal is just a treatment cream, and this means it should not be used if your infection or your bacteria or your inflammation has cleared. You're not supposed to also use it all over your body. If you want to treat an infection, apply directly on that spot where the infection is, and that is it. I've seen someone who used it for 80 years. This cream is not a body cream, it's not a body lotion, it's not a moisturizer. Why would you use this thing beyond weeks? You are spoiling your skin with or without knowing that, and your skin would not thank you for that free service. No, your skin will age very fast, your skin will lose its glow very fast, your skin will look ghostly very fast. You're not helping your skin by using Skineal for months, let alone years. Because when you finally stop using it, the way your skin will fall, it will take you a lot of money, a lot of effort, dedication and time before you get it back to normal. Please stick to using Skineal for only what it is made for. Treating infection, blemishes and all that. And that is it. After the 2 to 3 weeks, you stop using it. Don't go beyond that so you don't give yourself more problems. Do not get carried away by its effectiveness and then go ahead and use it longer than the recommended time. Please do not do that. So that'll be all for this video. If you've used this Skineal before, what is it like? Please share in the comment section. If you also have questions you want to ask about this Skineal, which I did not talk about in the video or in the description, also leave it in the box. I'm also going to leave a link below to the post where I made about the Skineal review. I will also share a link to other resources which you might find very helpful. Feel free to share with other people who you know will find it very useful. Also like and also subscribe, because I have tons of content like this coming your way. See you in the next video.